3.
Follow me. Burton, switch, other side. McKinder, hustle, switch. Hustle.
This guy's trying to walk in front of me.
McKinder, wider. Okay, guys, stay back. He's ready. Right there, McKinder, set it. There you go. Find it. Get there, Kinder. There you go, man.
Hey, Dad. There it is, right there. Oh, he dropped it. The 3?
Yeah, right in the middle off the right side.
Was just straight to that number 3 again.
They're going to counter it here in a second. Wide receiver out there, see?
They're cracking him too. Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw the most. What did... Oh, dude, the DNA under.
That won't work if we're doing just.
Where's the counter? Nope, no counter. Sweet.
Stupid.
Dive.
Oh, they got me. That kid's an idiot.
Why didn't he just run to the sideline?
Reverse. Jet sweep.
But you can see it though. You can see when it comes. Got it. Oh, there he is, right there. Tom!
Told you, kid.
You serious?
Yeah.
Onside right.
What's
14.
black and silver?
It's 12 playing pass.
Watch how fast they are to go to the ball too.
I feel that this team can't pass at all.
That's just full out blitz.
Wow.
They didn't read at all. They're just send.
All their games. They by the way, but it's like you can buy something out. They must not have no safety in the middle. How crazy is that? We play on defense when we clearly don't see that they have zero passing. Do they feel? I don't. Nice. This guy gets outside. Flag.
Counters and play actions is gonna kill this team.
They're good on that side. Otherwise, it's good. Although they tackled him. Weird players. Because it's obvious. What's going on?
That's a false start.
So you kind of hide a little bit. Yeah. But why are you not? Okay. Whoa. You know what you can do? Here's an idea. This one's not the counter. They're up 12 now. That 14 on this team was a stud. Onside left. They tricked it different. They didn't quite get it enough. No, he went and I'll take him. Put it up? Yeah, he's there. Run! Good job! Yeah. What, do you think we would come and stand on your side?
Boom, told you was going to win. I told you, I told you guys were going to win.
Oh! Wrap him up! Run!
There we go, White! There you go, Ryan! Let's get the push now!
Hitchcock, backwards!
Hold on to that ball, Boo! Over, easy, roll out. Good job. Go, Burton! Find it, break it, find somebody! Hey, Boomer!
Hit it! Let's go! Nice. Dig, Burton! This is tight with.
Yeah, look at 32. He's pointing. Oh no, it's Pat.
That's what they're trying. Yeah, they're not adjusted. So here it comes. Got some good hands.
20.
They're going hard right. Ooh, yeah.
He's running hard today.
He's running, yeah.
Why is he slow down to 28?
Because if he does, what's wrong with shitballs? When they come in like a jailbreak on us or what? I don't know what the heck. Chase it, Will! Will! That's why I didn't get them. They were too far off.
Ball, get the ball!
Counter. Let's straight up the middle.
That's the player.
That counter. Watch 32.
Good job, Dylan! Way to go, Bird!
But no prompting. Like, coach didn't make him do it. He just did it. Yeah. He just knew. He just knew.
Coach Baez. 22 will roll right. No, I do that all the time, and that's never happened to me.
Not wide open.
You knew what he was doing.
He's on the left. Oh, that's on you penetrate.
I don't. You have no reason to be angry.
And he gets to the quarterback.
I know you want a new phone, but
Oh, a pass. Look at there it is. There it is. There's the pass. That's the big throw. Thanks for 22. Comes over here. And we have the backside. Oh, yeah, see, they don't have a defense. Now they're going up. Ooh, he's got good moves. You have not 8 guys to the right and 1 running back, and they're running 8 on 1. You got 8 on 1 with a crackback. See it?
look at all those chickens.
Who's out?
But he won't hit anyone. Watch, he hasn't
Oh,
he hasn't hit anyone all day.
Because they got him out on the right.
Yeah, counter.
Reverse. There it is. You're right. There it is. Holy shit. That's too big of a ball. Wow. 32. Oh, they ran right. Left. There it is. Now see the guy come straight down? He's looking for the guy. Yeah, he's looking for the end coming back. But then... Let's see if they throw. Let's see how they react. So look how wide. The middle of the field. That's where we're dangerous. I don't understand why coaches don't. Love it. Every time he tries to throw it hard, he pushes this. Went to their spread. See what they're doing. They covered it okay. 22 stayed on the back side, which surprises me. That's the one I thought was good. But I wonder if he was in the game much closer than he really was. Okay. See that play right there? It's such a quick one, and